What's up guys, Tao here. Welcome to my daily workstation and editing corner. I have quite a few users asking me the question that I have the best bedroom corner setup over there. And also some users asking me, do I have a video of my desk setup walkthrough? Now today I think probably the best day for me to do this video and just show you guys what I have in terms of my setup and walk through with you guys what I have on the table, under the table, and what I have in terms of my gears. So come along. Right, first thing first, is this my bedroom setup? The answer is no, this is not my bedroom. It's not my bedroom corner. Now this actually is my living room. It just happened there is kind of a 90-degree corner. It's fit this IKEA desk perfectly. I've been using this kind of orientation for quite long now. So it's TV's there, windows there. So yeah, so I just need some artwork on the wall. So I'm pretty happy with this. So let me just show you, this is not my bedroom. So let me see, so what is angle? Now here, that's the wall. There's nothing there, and you can see that is the shelf, that is the window, and the sofa here. That's another, where is it? That's another big French door or French window as you call it. So that is the TV, and yeah, so that's another door. So yeah, as you can see, this is not my bedroom. All right, let's start from what's on the table. First, these are the two Dell Quad HD monitors. I've been using one of them for the longest time. I think it's that one. That's got full of scratches on the screen. This is slightly newer after that. These are the P2416D, I believe. It's Quad HD, so very, very good. Holding them, there is a monitor brackets, hold two, maximum 27-inch, two of them. So the weight is not an issue, and I've been using this for quite a long time now. Now around this corner here, this is the 2018 Mac Mini, runs on the i3, so this is the base model. That actually linked to the Promise Pexus R4. I'm going to show you in a second. There's a quiz. Can you guys guess what is this? So if you guess it right, I will give you a shout out on my next video. So yeah, have a guess. Good luck. Now, on the side of it, this is the very first generation of Amazon Echo. I just use as a speaker, connect to my Hackintosh, which is under the table. This is the latest edition. It's the Benya Dynamic DT770 Pro. Now this is amazing studio quality headphone. So that is the model. Here, there are some phone stands. There's for phone. There's another one that holds a phone and a tablet. It's steady enough for them. And here are two wireless chargers. This one and that one. This is the anchor one. This is a flat. This one stands up. And paperclip. Anyone? Copper paperclip. And here's I normally charge my Apple Watch here, so I don't really have a stand. Just leave it on the table. And here is the Sennheiser Momentum 2.0 wireless one. This is my daily commute headphone. I use this almost every day, and it's charging right now. It's fantastic sound, but noise cancelling is not very good. Oh, I think I forgot one. Here's the 4-port USB 3 adapters. It's called Orico. I've been using this quite a long time now, so this appeared in quite different videos. So here's the SD card and a micro SD card reader. One side is USB 3, the other side is USB Type-C. Here I have a Logitech silent mouse in red. Ever since I tried silent mouse. I could not go back to those very clicky ones, but sometimes I miss it. The reason I chose one of those because my wife keeps complaining it's too loud, so I got one of these. This is the Apple Magic Keyboard 2. Pretty good, I'm used to it now. Here is the Magic Trackpad. Now this actually is extremely useful when you do editing in Final Cut Pro. So it just goes through the timeline like it flies through it. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out, and you can go through the timeline. It's just fantastic. I can't live without this when I'm doing the editing now. So the keyboard, mouse, trackpad sit on top of it. This is also a newer edition. This is the VectorSync gaming mouse pad with RGB. So I was quite excited to get one of those and give some color. The table support everything securely is the IKEA MALM, I think, M-A-L-M. So I got this again a while back. This is fantastic table. It took me a long time to decide on this. And the reason I chose this is, first thing is the width. So at the time when I got it, so I specifically measured the corners, the distance, so this fits perfectly. And it's extremely sturdy. And at the time, quite a few users asking me, is it secure enough to hold 2 monitors or the 3 monitors? The answer is yes, has no issues. So you can see right now, that's a stand with no issues. And the construction is very, very solid. I actually modified this table quite a few times. I will leave the video link in the description so you can have a look what I did to this table. So it's really, really sturdy. And it's got a drawer here for my crap. And it is another storage compartment. It's got all kind of things in it. So it's pretty big. Oh, and also if you want, you can move this storage space and move to here, and this leg move to this side, depends on the orientation. So I did quite a few times. It's no issue with it. Highly recommend it. Okay, next is what's underneath the desk. Now don't mind the mess, just pretending you didn't see it, or just close your eyes. So now actually this is the perfect opportunity for me to answer some questions some user had regards on that monitor stands. So here's is what's underneath. So that's how it's supported. Now this particular desk, originally there is a cable management support underneath there. I actually removed it. Now hence that's why so many cables around. I can't hide them. So if you have that cable management compartment there, so you can actually use that support with no issues. It's just a little bit trickier to secure like that. So I tried it, it worked with no issues. It's just a little bit fiddly. Now this is my main workstation, Hackintosh build with the i7-8700 and running a Vega 64. This is extremely stable system. I haven't touched this for quite a long time now. I used to have a Thunderbolt 3 card in it, and it works. It doesn't really support hot swap, so I just removed it. So hence I have this Pixus R4, the original one, the first generation, with the 4 drives in it, which is linked to the Mac Mini on the tabletop. It has 4 3TB drive in, so total 12, but running on RAID 5, so 9 TB. So I have everything here as my backup as well. And yeah, this is what's underneath the table. Oh, here's the PS4. For my camera setup, I'm gonna show you what I have. I'm gonna use my iPhone just shoot the video so you can see what I have. The camera itself is the Panasonic GH4R, which is the unlimited recording edition. So attached to it is the Panasonic 7-14 f4 ultra wide angle. I use this quite a lot. There's also a second lens I use quite a lot. Is this? It's Panasonic 15mm prime lens, f1.7. Sometimes when I want to get some depth of field, a very shallow depth of field, I use that. It's fantastic. So these two lenses I use the most. So in terms of the mic system, I have a wireless mic system made by Sennheiser. Now it's EW100G3. It's old model now, but it's extremely reliable. Now so far this is the best wireless microphone system I've ever used. This is attached to the camera, and this is the output. With me, I have a body part which is wireless as well, so this sends the transmission to that one. Quality is really good, and it's just so reliable. Highly recommended. So in terms of the tripod, here actually is a 3-leg things. It's quite old now, but it still works. It's aluminum version. Sometimes the legs is a bit funny, but you know, it works, does the job. So this is the, I think it's a Manfrotto. Yeah, Manfrotto Fluid Head Pro, I think, or not Pro. So yeah, so it's really good. There are some features I quite like in terms of panning. It's really smooth, like that. And there's a slider on top of it. So sometimes I use slider to do a kind of B-roll. So yeah. So the whole setup is quite simple, basic, but it works. Light. Now this is the only light I have, and also this on the light stand is LED light. There's nothing special about it. Yeah. Now this light stand I had again quite a long time. So sometimes it just go down or wobbly on its own without no reasons. Oh, here we go. So if I touch it, it just keep going down. It's not very stable. But for now it works, so there's no need for me to change it yet. Yeah, that's it. It's simple. There's one fun fact about the camera I use. When I just started out, I think almost 3 years ago now, I used my iPhone 6S. Now the quality was good at the time, so I was very happy with it, but it just struggled to see what I was doing. So it took me a long time to do one video. And then I move on to the Canon EOS M3. It's got a flippy screen and it's quite small. I can carry that thing with me anywhere I go. So quality, it was only Full HD 30 frames per second. So I was super happy with it. But now I'm using the Panasonic GH4R. So it's got 4K 30 and actually it's got slow motion, but it's manual focus only. I'm happy with it. So for now, this camera is perfect for what I need. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy my tour, my desk setup tour. And if you have any questions, please let me know regarding the setup I have and the component I have or the stuff I use. You got any questions, let me know. I will try my best to answer your question. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye!